Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Kishon. I'm a physician assistant who has been practicing in internal medicine and cardiology for 7 years. And I wanted to start a channel that focuses on health maintenance and disease prevention. So if you like this kind of topic, please feel free to press the like button and also to subscribe. Let's get right to the topic. So for today's discussion, I wanted to talk about flu vaccine. Is flu vaccine needed? So a lot of times patients come to me and ask is it really needed? Who should take it? So I decided to make a video on that. From my research, I noticed that the CDC has stated that about 6.4 million people were infected with influenza last year. That's about the size of Maryland's population. And there has been about 55,000 hospitalizations and about 2,900 deaths from influenza last year. So it's very critical and very important to be vaccinated because that'll give you the immunity to fight this infection. Even pregnant people should be taking the flu vaccine and not the nasal spray. Please check with your primary care provider. Now, what are the symptoms of influenza? Most common symptoms of influenza are fever, headache, runny nose, sore throat, cough, fatigue, and muscle aches. What are the complications of influenza? The most common complication is pneumonia, which is infection of your lung. There can be inflammation of certain organs such as the heart, muscles, or any other organs. There can also be sepsis, which is a whole body infection. Now, how can you prevent this? You can prevent influenza by making sure you wash your hands properly and avoid close contacts with sick people, and make sure you disinfect the surfaces that can be infected. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact your primary care provider if you have any questions or concerns. According to American Academy of Family Physicians, everyone 6 months and older needs to be vaccinated. And if you have any questions or concerns about any contraindications, please feel free to contact your primary care provider. Now, if you like this video, please feel free to hit the like button and also to subscribe. And please let me know what kind of topics would you like to know more about, and I'll be happy to share with you.